Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to speed up your clip on InShot. If you want to fast forward your video clip on InShot, it's how to do that. When you open your InShot app, you click on the question mark search button at the top left corner. When you click on it, it's going to show you all the tools you need. You have to scroll down and look for speed. Click on speed. And now you have option to speed up your clip. You can choose a curve or you can use standard. Choosing a curve is going to speed up at some specific point, but if you use standard, it's going to speed up the clip all at once. If you go to times 10, it's going to be too fast. You have to choose the speed which you prefer. I'm going to use 5x. As you can see right here, the speed has been increased by 5x. So that's how you increase your video clip speed on InShot. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.